The Falcon 1.1 Monotube Shocks for the Jeep JL Wrangler incorporates Falcon's signature volume-optimized damping, which will improve the Wrangler's overall ride quality and handling. Installing the Falcon 1.1 Monotube Shocks is a straightforward process. Begin by lifting the vehicle off the ground. There's no need to remove the tires, but we do it in the video so the camera can see what is happening. Support the front axle and remove the front shocks. Install the front Falcon shocks using the factory hardware. The upper end has an offset sleeve, which helps with frame clearance when the suspension is flexed out. Support the rear axle and remove the rear shocks. Install the rear Falcon 1.1 Monotube shocks using the factory hardware.